All right, I am back. Justin with ROCKA Solutions inside the ROCKA Solutions booth, club, bar, whatever you want to call it. We're having fun in here. We turned off the music so you could hear my pretty voice. But this time I'm with Josh in front of Weller. Josh, how are you, my man?
Doing good, man. Doing good. Thank you for having me.
All right, Josh. So we got some cool stuff over here.
Yes.
Tell me what we're looking at.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and start talking about the fume extractor here, the Shield Pro.
Here, why don't you just hang on to it?
All right. The Shield Pro is very innovative, very light and portable. It has like an 85% efficiency, meaning pretty much any regular soldering fumes will get it cleaned. And it also can be connected with the WX Smart for filter monitoring. So it'll tell you when it's time to change that filter. It will give you a nice profile look at, if it's green, that means it's good. If it's yellow, it's getting a little dirty. When it's red, it's time to change it. So it gives you that profile on the station itself. WX Smart is the most high-tech in the market. It has Wi-Fi capabilities. You can integrate it with the EMS system, which can pull a lot of data. Like the last time you've calibrated the tool, the operation of the entire process when it comes to temperature control. And it has some smart tip technology, which means if you don't know what tip you're using, you can just go into the menu and it tells you everything like part number, serial number, everything you need is going to be right there. It has other profiles for accessories. So if you want to order additional accessories and you want to know what the system can connect to, it gives you that list of accessories within the unit.
All right, so ROCKA is a distributor for Weller here down in Mexico. Of course, in the United States, you guys have a large market share all over the globe. You guys are one of the top brands. So we pride ourselves in carrying the Weller brand, and we feel like it creates a good partnership. Top brand on our side, top brand on your side. Create that synergy so we can actually move the product forward. Now, for people that are actually coming in and seeing this product for the first time, are they actually able over here to touch it, move around, play with it?
Yeah, they can touch it, play with it. Everything's hot right now. For safety purposes, we have it off, but you can turn it on and you can play with it.
All right, so for all things Weller in Mexico, you can obviously reach out to Josh and his team directly through Weller. Of course, you got ROCKA Solutions here to give you full support at all times, rockasolutions.com. Thank you.